Hey guys, so I just got a new bike last week and I was really excited about that and wanted to make sure I kept my investment safe. So I purchased a Master Lock Bike Security Edition. It's got lots of great features like a hardened steel shackle and a bonus carrying bracket included. And it's got a 3.5 star out of 5 Master Lock security rating. My favorite feature though is, I don't know about you, but I often lose my keys, and so really convenient. You can just buy a second Master Lock Bike Security Edition, and as I'll demonstrate, keys are fully compatible between devices. Ta-da! Anyway, that's what I love about the Master Lock.